Hey everybody, welcome back to Grow Your Channel Sunday. We're out here at Smith Park fishing, and I got the mini pole in the water. Thought we would take some time and go over some tips. So today's topic is going to be how to get more in-screen views on your YouTube. So using the YouTube in-screen feature can help you retain viewers and increase subscribers. More viewers get to the end screen by improving audience retention and average view and duration. You can also go to your YouTube homepage and you can actually do an end screen and select the timing that you want the end screen to pop on. You can do the same thing with using your cards, and I would recommend both. Here are 5 tips to help you master the YouTube and screen and end screen to increase your views. So add end screens 15 to 20 seconds before you end your video. Once a viewer has received the content they were looking for, that they've watched, they will be looking for the next video to watch. To prevent a user from leaving your channel, add the screen 15-20 seconds before you formally end your video. So if you have a ending phrase like stay safe, stay free, stay armed, I would go ahead and roll that end screen 15-20 seconds before I'd end up saying that. This allows for a seamless transition that can retain more viewers and encourage viewers to click on new video links as they are being shown. This will encourage them to do viral videos, and this may end up leading them to check out playlists on other topics that you do. Whether you film your outros or use text, you can display the end screen over the footage. The transition will naturally adequately into your end screen. Try doing your outro while displaying the end screen. Mastering the perfect outro to match your end screen will take practice, but learning to make them smooth and seamless can help you. Use a clean, creative design. How your YouTube end screen looks plays a major part in getting your clicks. If your viewers don't know what the links are or where to click, they most likely won't click at all. So I would stick with something that is very simple. Like I use a double on mine, so you'll get one for the best views. They click on one side for the best viewers, they click on the other side to see the previous uploaded. So if you prefer an end screen without a video, you can use a still photo or a graphic as your background and add music if you like. Not only should your end screen be pleasant to the eye, but the colors and graphics should be also match the theme of your channel. For example, if your channel is sports related, you should incorporate colors and graphics that relate to the sports. Another way is to use popular, similar, or newly uploaded videos, which I just mentioned there, so we won't recover that again. Update your end screens. YouTube end screens can go stale if the content then has gone stale. So you can actually go back through your Creative Studios and change out your end screens on different videos just to try to get more people to follow that content. You want to create it so they're constantly on your channel for as long as possible. Study your metrics. Every creator will have a different method that works for their audience, which is studying your card analytics is key. So I absolutely agree with that right there. Mark over at Eat More Carbs Outdoors, he does things a lot different from the advice and stuff and things that I find. But at the same time, I've also seen other people comment and they're not doing the advice, but they're going to try the advice. So every viewer, every creator is different, and try different things. Some things may work for you, some things may not. As you do try different things, make sure you're following your numbers. Write them down somewhere so you can keep track of them. And with that, I'm going to get off here, and so stay safe, stay free, and stay armed, people.